Right, we have a problem. Dwayne Coutinho, Scott going that is not using enough Welsh.
Dwayne Coutinho, I mean, how many more Welsh assemblies do we need for this to stick?
We need more Wenglish, more incidental Welsh everywhere. Corridor, classrooms and even toilets. We need to show everyone how it's done. If only we could become the Athrawes and teach the right Wenglish. Where have you been?
Sorry, you know me, Delia Keffel.
We
Diane Platt, what other anaphiliates do we know? Adele? I miss my home! Don't be Tris. Hoi, ear. Any other animals?
I need the toilet.
It's called the T-Bach. Anyone else? Anaphiliate?
I know, T-Bach!
Oh, it's going to be a long border.
Right, Josh Bassboy or Cymraeg?
Dwayne Coutinho, B14 Hoffy. Ira.
Green Hoffy pizza. Green lemon Hoffy chocolate. Bendy Gledig pal, remember to use lots of Cymraeg Bob Dydd.
Mr. Sergeant Adui. Just checking everyone's planning and working hard. Dwayne Dulliard being organised. Oh, by the way, has anybody seen my laptop charger?
Dwayne Mr. Blackmore and Dwayne Delia High Rocks.
Come on, Mr. Blackmore. Dwayne Athrawes Newydd. I need your help with my Welsh.
Dim problem, I'm almost as good as my Welsh as I am being a hybrid rock star. Poison Barrows.
Barrows.
B14 Wisco.
Oh, I know this one.
This is for the flatness Evans, not you. Don't worry though, I can help. Like I said, I'm as good as Welsh as I am at High Rocks. Lillian?
Dwayne Wisco skirt jumper.
And therefore, B14 Hoffy Renais. Ira.
Dwayne Hoffy Darsen and Novio.
Wow, Diane Lloyd and Di, we are very impressed.
Lonely in this crowd I see.
Shemai Pal, who would like me to carry the well?
No!
Bubble back, what a fuss! Dream carry music, a great way to learn Welsh. Fine as Charles, if they don't want me to sing, that's okay. Just like you time your pal. Jono, Green Benny Bleedo. Auntie! Pam as Charles. Here's the Abatawi Bob Dydd. Right, Floyd and Pedro are pink. Let's try again, but more details. Darcy are Knus. Darcy, S-E-E cinema gyda mam, dad. A bwytas I popcorn. Here's Di. Stop your plan. I think that sounds. Mr. Blackmore didn't get it. Sorry, we Delia High Rocks. Sit choice is roedd e'n wych.
Blwyddyn chwech, bobl bach. Eistedwch yn dawl a dim siarad.
Mr. Penbury, got your pen. Mr. Penbury, got your pencil.
Mr. Penbury, got your pen measure?
Honestly, it's like pulling teeth. Got your pen. Got your pencil. And got your pen measure.
Oh yeah, mine. Did you know I love Welsh? Dwi'n Dilly are Welsh. Are you using Welsh? Dwi'n Dilly are High Rock. Hwyl
Yes, Miss Thomas, we know you love Welsh. You tell us Bob Dydd, and you're doing a great job at promoting it.
Bob Dydd? Typiaeth Abertawe Bob Dydd?
We know now. Hwyl
Got i helpu yn Cymraeg, Miss Thomas, since you're so good at it.
Of course, open your laptop. You need Cymraeg Bob Dydd, not type.
Sorry, it's only because we
Don't say you love something in Welsh, otherwise Mr. Blackmore will appear. Anyway, you can use the placemats too.
Dangosok i fi. Wow, let's practice on blwyddyn chwech. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi wneud, plant?
Oliver? Dwi'n mwynhau chwarae pêl-droed.
Extend ysgol y cynfa blwyddyn chwech, remember?
Dwi'n dilio chwarae pêl-droed achos mae'n gyffwrdd, ond dwi ddim yn hoffi cerdded dyn. Achos mae'n ddisgust iawn. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi, Mr. Penbury?
Hoffi taith. Extend Mr. Penbury bobl bach.
Dwi'n hoffi taith achos mae'n diddorol iawn.
Very interesting.
Ond dwi'n ddim yn hoffi Kyle. Trwy bod gyda taith.
Great work, Mr. Penbury. Right, blwyddyn chwech, dwi'n eisiau detail. Opinions, everything. Beth wyt ti'n feddwl o ysgol? Dylan?
Dwi'n meddwl i'r ysgol yn wych.
Now a bit of future tense. Ble hoffi i fynd?
Hoffwn i fynd i Barra.
Pam?
Achos mae'n diddorol ac yn brifed.
Wow, look at that progression. From borrowed art to full conversations.
And using the placemats properly.
And using Welsh every day.
I am proud defnyddio Cymraeg Bob Dydd.